Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com, and this is the Space Dino Rain Boots from Western Chief Kids. Get them out playing in the rain with these super fun rain boots. These boots are made with a waterproof rubber upper, and it's got this really cool dinosaurs in space all over on that design. I really like the Triceratops in the astronaut helmet there. Triceratops is always my favorite. These shoes have a breathable jersey lining on the inside there with these two pull-on handles so they can get these boots on themselves whenever they're ready to go out and play. And it's got a hard rubber inner sole there and a steel shank on the inside to give them even more stability and support. It also has a textured rubber mud guard across the vamp there and over the front of the boot to give it a little bit more durability, and the bottom is a traction rubber outsole there with a self-cleaning tread pattern to give them plenty of stability when they're walking out on those slippery terrains. Your kids are going to love playing out in the rain with these over-the-moon shoes. They're from Western Chief Kids.